As the Twitter versus the Modi government showdown escalates, there's been a big provocation from the social media giant. Twitter posted a map that showed Jammu and Kashmir as a separate country and Ladakh as part of China-occupied Tibet.
Microblogging platform Twitter is in the eye of a storm yet again. This time over a Twitter map not showing Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as part of India. The Twitter map shows a distorted map of India, and Jammu and Kashmir, including Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, have been shown as a separate country. Ladakh is shown as part of China-occupied Tibet. This is not the first time that Twitter has shown a wrong map of India. In October 2020, Twitter had geotagged Ladakh as part of China, and India had to repeatedly complain to set the anomaly right.
They showed Ladakh portion as a part of China in a map. It took almost a fortnight for us to persuade them to change it.
A fortnight?
Why? Or 10 days probably. Why? Today I'm sharing with you why.
But this isn't an isolated incident of Twitter falling foul of Indian rules and laws. According to the government, Twitter displayed blatant double standards on dealing with violence on the Capitol Hill in the United States and violence at Red Fort on Republic Day.
In Washington, when some people invade the Capitol, you stop their Twitter account, which also involved a president at that point in time. But when the Red Fort of Delhi is invaded during the farmers' strike, Red Fort is where the Prime Minister hoists the national flag. You say it is freedom of speech? I'm asking this question, and this question should be asked.
The government also accused Twitter of blatant double standards in its so-called fact check on fake news. The law minister not only took to the microblogging platform to call out Twitter, but the police registered an FIR against Twitter and asked Twitter MD Manish Maheshwari to join probe.
I don't wish to make any comment on the issue as to what is happening in Ghaziabad, except to give one example. Apart from the fact that the color of communal angle was found to be completely incorrect in the prima facie investigation, you are giving an impression that we are having a system of checking whether this particular presentation is manipulated or not. Why you have double standards on that?
With Twitter and government at loggerheads on multiple issues, questions are being raised whether showing J&K and Ladakh as a separate country is an inadvertent mistake or a deliberate challenge to the government. Bureau Report, India Today.
Sometimes I wonder what Twitter is really up to. They're not even present in China, so it's not as if China is a huge market that you need to appease China at the cost of India. India is indeed a huge market, and yet they're making the same mistake they've made in the past. This is offensive, not just to the government, but to the people of India. This is where I wrap up the news track. For your time and your trust, thank you. I look forward to seeing you 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. Stay well, stay safe.